welcome everyone to Ryan Richards Slots. We are here at Potawatomi Hotel and Casino in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. We try our luck on some Dollar Storm. It's like a Pirates of the Caribbean game. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, our tickets in. We'll do nickel denomination. We'll do some 250 spins. So I think the Pirate Guy's wild. We need 6 of the coins. I think that's the only way I get it is by 6 of the coins. I'm not sure what. Oh, maybe that pirate symbol. I think that 3 of those triggers the free games. All right, come on. 2 more. No. Is the volume all the way up in this? No. Let's get some volume on this one. All right, there we go. Sorry about that. These are the progressives up above that we're playing for. Come on. Ah. A couple wilds, they're only 9s. Come on, let's find that pirate flag or whatever. Let's get 3 of those. Alright, some wilds there. $6. Come on, one more. All those wilds, but nothing lined up. Come on. Come on. One away. $125 chip on there too. Come on. Come on. 2 flags. Come on. You can do better than that. Let's get 6 coins. I was hoping for that last reel, all 3. Come on. 1 away. Alright, well, we're just going to play this one down and then find another, hopefully, lucky machine. Alright, last spin. I don't know if they let me do another one. Alright, let's try the bolt. Yeah, we at least won the bolt. That would have been funny if I got it. Alright, well, no luck on that one. We'll try and find another, hopefully, lucky slot machine. Alright, well, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.